Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Friday was a massive gap down, and that was based on the news coming out that Trump was positive for the virus. So the market recovered most of that gap down, pretty much all the gap down closed. I've left these levels in from Friday. As you can see, we sort of had that as our, well, let's just get the low time frames and we can see it a little bit clearer. So we had this bottom area here as our line in the sand, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, as that was moves to the downside, which would be the bottom gap close, which is pretty much what happened. Great buying opportunity that happened there. You can see, okay, and nice sort of 160 points off the bottom there. So that is fairly decent. What we do have at the moment is this channel, okay, and that channel is going to add some more noise onto this chart quickly. I just want to see the Fibonacci. Yep, straight off the 61.8. Okay, you can see the move up straight off the 61.8. So, what are we looking for as a measured move of this break? Okay, so obviously we're going to need to break the flag to the upside, come back and retest it, and I'll give you the level we need to focus on now. I just want to get this measured move in. Okay, right, so let's just start with the measured move. We had to move up, we've consolidated onto 61.8. This level here, 12.549, is the 61.8. We've bounced off it pretty healthily. We do have this level in here, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. That's my line in the sand at the moment. We need to stay in that. We may not. We may pull back and sort of form a double bottom in this area or a higher low. That's also fine. But what we're looking for is a break above Friday's high, 12737. Okay, I'm just going to put that level in, and you'll see why that's important. There's the previous swing low. Okay, and if you look to the left, you can see a lot of rejection off this area as well. So that's the area we need to break. That would break the flag. So we need to get above 12735. Get above, test, then we're looking for a long, and that measured move closes the top gap. Spot on. Also, there is a bit of resistance up there. So that's my play here. And just want to quickly have a look at the futures market on the DAX right now. DAX futures is up 0.5% at 12,758. 12.7. So we're kind of just above, a slight gap up. So what I would be expecting is quite simply probably a bit of a consolidation or a move to the downside. Find some supports, and this is the closest area I can see at the moment, which is 12678. Find some support here, start moving back the upside, regain the moving average. I think that's the critical aspect here, and then we're looking for this measured move. Okay, so that there is 350 points. Okay, so that's my play for the DAX. I think that's pretty much a fairly decent trade, and it's a decent setup. So we've had this noise which, battling for the upper gap or lower gap, upper gap, lower gap, and then close the lower gap's done. So now the next target is going to be here. That's the flag. Nice strong measured move, consolidation. Now we're looking for a break. All depends on the noise coming from the US, I suppose. I see President Trump's driving around in a car to show everybody that he's fine and spreading the virus further. So who knows? Who knows how the markets react to that situation at the moment? But personally, I think we're looking to buy, and we're looking to buy off support, and this is my support at the moment. So that's 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. I want to see it come back here. It'll close the gap, find some support here, and then look to buy, and anticipating the flag break or the move to the upside. Okay. That also validates a pretty big sort of cup and handle here as well. But that's a story for probably Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay. Anyway, guys, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.